Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zoho email account, whether you need it for personal use or to manage professional communication. Zoho Mail makes the process simple and secure. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to zoho.com. From the homepage, click on the Mail option to head directly to Zoho Mail. Once you're there, you'll see a few choices. Since we're setting up a personal account, go ahead and click on Personal Email. Now it's time to create your email identity. Start by choosing a username. Pick something professional, short, and easy to share with colleagues, clients, or friends. After that, create a password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember, this password is the first layer of security for your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name. Using your real name helps keep your communication professional and trustworthy. Then provide your phone number. This step is important for verification and account recovery, so make sure you use a valid number that can receive SMS. Before continuing, review Zoho's terms of service. Once you've read through them, check the box to confirm your agreement and then click on Sign Up for free. Zoho will now send a verification code to the phone number you entered. Open your messages, find the code, and type it into the verification box on the Zoho Mail page. Once it's confirmed, your Zoho Mail account is ready to use. At this point, you can start sending and receiving emails right away. If you'd like to go a step further, Zoho also gives you the option to add your own custom domain or even purchase one directly. This is a great choice if you're building a business or personal brand and want a unique, professional-looking email address. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Zoho email account. From here, you can explore Zoho Mail's features, organize your inbox, and enjoy a secure, reliable email experience. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.